Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how to enable and use the shrink to fit function in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. Let me just quickly open my Microsoft Word and I have a document in here. Now the function of the shrink to fit is that like this in my document. If the next paragraph, next line is set to the second page and it is just a very few lines or just one paragraph, and you want to simply shrink this to one page, or you just need to make this 2 pages document into 1 page document. Well, that is very easy by using the shrink to fit function. Now I have this quick toolbar from here, or the quick access to shrink to fit. So shrink to fit attempt to shrink the document by 1 page by slightly reducing the size and spacing of the text. Now if I'm simply going to click on that, the document will just be 1 page. Now how did I enable the shrink to fit function here in my Microsoft Word? It's very easy. You just need to click on the File tab at the top, and here you have to click on More, click on Options. Now in the Word options on the left pane, simply click Quick Access Toolbar. Then choose Commands from, click on this drop down arrow and choose All Commands. Now simply scroll down to the S section and look for the option Shrink. This one, shrink 1 page. So as you can see, this is the symbol for that. Simply click on that and you have to click on this add button. Now once I click on the add button, it will state you already have this on the quick access toolbar, but in your case it will state that this is added into the quick access toolbar. Now once you're done, you just have to click on OK, and whenever you want to shrink or whenever you want to use the shrink to fit function, you don't have to worry for that. You just need to simply click on this icon or symbol right here and your document will be shrink to 1 page. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.